In this module, we're going to prepare. We're going to get ready to create our 2D cover, but before that, we're going to get together all the bits and pieces that we're going to need to actually do the 2D cover creation. So what does that mean? First of all, we're going to do a little bit of research. By research, I mean we need to go and take a look at other covers that are best-selling in our niche or our genre. We need to look at what are some of the things that are making the trends. So we need to go and get some design ideas so that we're not starting from a completely blank canvas. And in getting these ideas, we're going to look at what are the things that are going on in your niche in terms of trends. So for example, most business books use a lot of blue. You will also see that most business books don't tend to use landscapes or those kinds of things in the background, but they're fairly simple object type oriented covers. So the idea is to identify those trends. In the health niche, you will find lots of green. Self-development's got all of those jumping men and women, or sort of looking up at the sea with the arms outstretched and those kinds of things. The idea is to look at trends in your niche. We're also going to look at what colors are working and are not. We look at what do they use in the background. Are they photographs? Are they more like graphics, images, patterns? What do they use as a background? And finally, we'll also pay a lot of attention to titles and fonts. What kinds of fonts are in use? Is it uppercase, lowercase, a mix? We all know that romance genre has things like flowery script, handwriting type things, whereas business books tend to go with sort of boxy, clear kinds of fonts. So those are the things that we're going to look at in our research. And where are we going to go and do our research? Well, if we're talking about ebooks, we're going to go to the mother of all ebook marketplaces, Amazon.com. So without further ado, let's have a look at exactly how we do this research.